Hey everyone, this is Farz and today I'm going to show you 10 advanced Lightroom shortcuts that will seriously boost your workflow. If you're a photo editor like me, these tricks will save you a lot of times and make your editing smoother. So let's get started. Okay, first one is during import. Let's say you have a mix of photos and videos in the same folder, but you only want to import the photos. Normally, you would uncheck the each video file manually, and that's really painful. Yes, finding each video and uncheck manually is really painful. Here is a pro shortcut. Press and hold Alt or Option key, and you will find a button Uncheck Video. Just click this and it's done. Now you can import the photos only. Shortcut number 2 is L. Press it once to dim the light. Press again to make everything black except your photos. And the third time to bring everything back. This one is perfect when you need to focus on the details without any distraction. When you are cropping, hit O on your keyboard and Lightroom will cycle through different overlay guides for cropping. Rule of thirds, golden spiral, diagonal, and all that. This helps a lot when you want a perfect composition. We all play with highlights and shadow sliders, but what about the midtones? Here is a hidden gem. Go to the color grading option and click here Midtone. And here you'll find a luminance slider. This controls the brightness and the shadows of the midtones only. When you play with the luminance slider, you can see a clear difference on your image and on the histogram. Just look at this. Look at the histograms. The only midtone parts are changing. That's very useful when you want to give more depth and dimension to your photo. This one is a lifesaver for wedding and even photographers like me. While reviewing image, press P to pick any image and X to reject and U to unflag it. When going through hundreds of shots, this makes selection super fast. And then the next one, hit Command and U to autocorrect the exposure. It may not be perfect every time, but it will give you a perfect starting point, especially when you're editing lots of photo. This can be helpful. You probably know pressing backslash shows before and after. Here is the before and this one is after. But here is a better trick. Press Y to see the before and after side by side. This makes it easier to notice and compare the subtle changes. Want to edit without mouse? Press comma like this or full stop to move between the sliders and then press plus or minus to increase or decrease the values. It's smooth and honestly it feels pretty cool to edit like this. When working with masks, radial, brush or any other mask, these pins can get annoying. Press Ace to remove the pin and now you can clearly see the result and hit Ace again to bring them back. And the last one, press Z on your keyboard and Lightroom will highlight the overexposed areas as red and the underexposed areas as blue. It will help you to identify the overexposed and underexposed areas and bring them back. Now you can easily bring them back by adjusting the highlights, shadows, and whites and black slider like this. So that's pretty helpful. And that's it for today. Let me know in the comment box which shortcut was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video.